Good day to everyone in this WhatsApp group. This is your Pastor Liber Boss. Please to forward this message to as many church members as possible. As you know, the church are reopening. The church are reopening, and I'm going to be implementing some rules after the opening. First, I want to say, I will be opening church next week, Sunday. I will be, because of the social distancing, I will have to do 3 church service for the day. So the first service will be from 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. Then from 12 p.m. until 2 p.m. and then from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. But I want to say to you people, one of the rules I'm implementing, I do not want no silver and coins in the offering plate. I repeat, I do not need no silver and coins in the offering plate. I need paper money. And for all the people, remember people, members who haven't thrown an offering since March, since first week of March. So all them back offering, you guys have to bring the back offering next week when church reopen. Okay? I know you guys are good people, and I don't want anybody getting about no work and this, me no want to hear that. The Lord no want to hear that. Him no want to hear that. So no, make sure to bring the 3-month offering. Let's say March, April, May. Yes, 3-month offering. I will be waiting at the door, and I will be looking at who I bring the offering. And one more thing. You see how we used to put the offering in the bag? We're not going to do that again. We're going to be collecting the offering like when doctor conduct fear. That means I can visibly see how much money each member is putting in the offering. So how I will just follow their hand and show in a bag and show them $1, that's not going to work. And I must tell you guys, you have to wear a mask. But if you come without a mask, you can give us the offering and go back home. Or if you have on your mask, you come inside with your mask and your offering. So right now we are focusing on mask and offering. So I'll see you guys next week Sunday at church. Walk well and remember the offering. Finally, we can start back some money. It's been a hard 3 months.